I love these guys right here.
Oh, the brotherhood, pretty much. It's all like a family here.
I love coming into a factory that's not a factory environment, and what I mean by that is there is a ton of positivity. I've worked in a lot of factories over the years, and I think the number one thing we produce oftentimes are complaints, and what I love about this place is that you're producing a lot of gratefuls, and the environment's different, the atmosphere is different. It's a safe place to fail, and people aren't afraid to fail. And so I love that it's a positive place and it's fun. I mean, you're going to spend most of your life here, so it'd be nice to do that and have fun at the same time. And so that's one of the things I really enjoy about being here, just being surrounded by good people.
What do you love most about working here?
The fact that we get the freedom to come up with an idea and they say, yeah, go for it. Even though the first time might be a fail, you know, we like to say, what is that, fail fast, fail cheap.
Fail forward, yeah.
And fail forward, right? So we take and build from that, you know, but working here is really good.
We do what we do, build heaters and build a great culture.
I like to have the freedom to change things on my own, and they give us the freedom to do that. So I don't have to go to the higher ups to say, hey, can I do this or can I do that? So I have total autonomy in my area.
What we've focused Lean on is the cultural build out and being able to focus on people growth. And how do you grow people into problem solvers? How do you make them better tomorrow than they were today at solving problems on their own and coming up with better and better solutions?
Is that constant state of improvement, never being afraid to share ideas either. We know that the first idea might be the worst idea, but it's that most important idea that we are jumping off from, and we're continuing to evolve and continuing to improve.
What's so cool here is when you study like Toyota production systems and you know, they have world-class manufacturing, everybody looks at the metrics and the numbers and saying, wow, you know, they're so cool, I want to be just like them. Well, really when you go and study Toyota, they really are all about the employee, how the employee flourishes.
Yeah.
And not just working, but where are they struggling? How can we eliminate struggle? How can we make their job easier?
A lot of things we take out of the morning meeting and be a better brother, father, mother. I take all those things home to my family and just try to be a better person. This company really helps you do that.
I'm extremely grateful we've been doing the morning meetings that we do here at my house at dinner time with the family. And one of the things that we talk about instead of the 8 deadly wastes is we talk about fruits of the spirit, like love, patience, and peace.
What is this?
Well, I got an award today. I got the quarterback award for 2017.
Quarterback for 2017?
Yes.
What,
nice.
What did you quarterback?
Well, I probably much of nothing, I wouldn't think. But I don't want to take too much credit, you know. No, actually, we had our awards today for 2017, and all the guys got different awards for different things, and we had breakfast this morning, so it was a good time. We had a good time. We had a lot of laughs.